right, so we love handmade knickknacks here on Smile Jamaica, and we love when the young people find their purpose on Smile and share it with us. Anna Gay Livingston is one such young person, and she's giving us a feast for our eyes with her flame dolls designs. Good morning.
Good morning.
It is so nice to meet you. I love your stuff.
Thank you.
All right, a little bit about the backstory, and then we get to the actual products on the table. You were born in Hanover, it's true?
Yes.
So you left Sandy Bay, you came to Jamaica, to Kingston.
Kingston, yeah.
Sandy Bay is not in foreign, folks, only Ochi is in foreign. To study biochemistry.
Yes.
And you?
Yes.
And then what happened?
And then I basically left and I was working at Western Union. And I wasn't really happy because that's not something that I wanted to do. I didn't really know my purpose.
You thought you wanted to become a doctor because you were good at the sciences.
Yes, I was good at
Your parents
science.
wanted you to become a doctor?
Yes.
Yeah. But that was not your passion.
No.
So you left school because you said this is not
Yes.
what I want to do. And you took up a full-time job.
Yes, I was working
How did you
full-time.
get to start using your hands to do these fantastic
Basically, I just saw one online and I was thinking that I wanted it, but it looked dull and it was like a pastel color. There wasn't enough decoration. So I said I was going to make one myself. So I went online, I researched how to make it and the products that I would need. Then I went on Amazon and bought the products and I made it, brought it to work, and my coworkers loved it. And I just continue. Yeah,
Flame Dolls. Tell me about
history.
the name Flame Dolls.
It's a name that I had when I was in college. Me and my sister and a couple of my other friends, I was saying when I'm older, I wanted, it was a clothes store. I wanted to do something feminine and girly, and I said I would name it Flame Dolls. So I just put it in my Facebook name and just ran with it.
Okay, so when did you start the business?
Approximately 2 years ago.
Okay, so you made a leap of faith.
Yes.
You left your full-time job and you said this is, by that time, had people started to show enough interest where you saw that there was a possibility? To do
Yes,
this
I was
full-time?
doing just the keyrings at that time. And
You were only doing the keyrings?
Yes.
And that was enough of an indication that you could leave and make a life out of it?
Well, not really, but I was really unhappy in my job, so I decided. When I was at work, all I could think about was really going home and playing in glitter, so I just said, I'm going to do
Flame
this.
Dolls for true.
Yes.
So you started with the keyrings. Let's look at some of the keyrings. Iridescent is your team. You are serious. Who that behind the camera? Soldier Man, look at this for me. All right, so you love the glitter and the spark.
Yes.
Yes, that's your thing.
Love it.
Love this. And why the paws? I notice that's a theme with you, even though you have different things, but I see a lot of doggy paws on your keyrings. Is that like
It was just a mole that I saw that I liked, and I realized persons like it as well, so.
Okay, but you also do hearts.
Yes,
All right,
and
so let's have a look at this one.
With the arts, you can get your name on
put your
them.
name on it. So this is for Jody, J-O-D. Okay, Jody, Jody don't have an E, right, Joe? Okay, so we can just hold it like this and give it to you, Jody. Is that okay? Yeah. All right. So we'll work on that, and then let's talk about the cups.
Cups. Well, it's actually the same material that I used to make the key rings. I was researching what else I could do with them, and I saw the cups.
Wait. What do you mean? What else you can do with them?
The
You
liquid.
buy the cups ready made, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I don't make I make the key ring
was
from
ju-
scratch, not
right.
the cups.
You make the key rings from scratch.
Yes.
So you get the material, you make the mold and do it yourself.
Yes.
Color, everything.
Everything. Color,
Boss.
glitter, everything.
But the cups now.
Yes. So I was researching what else I could do with the materials that I was using, and I saw the cups. Again, they were a little bit boring, so I thought I could add my flavor to them. And I started practicing, and persons just really loved it. Like, they love the glitter, they love the custom items, and took off from there.
You can put pictures. We just saw one cup with a
Yes.
picture on
Here's
it and the
one.
name.
This
What-
one has a photo.
Yes, we just showed it a while ago. There it is again. Here's what I love about them more than anything. I love the fact that they're customized, so you have your
Yes.
name. So Mrs. Hector is getting this one, as you can see. I'm not even sure where to show it. That's Soldier Man again. But so you have your name on one side, and look at this message on the other side. I can do all things through Christ, who strengthens me. Don't move, Soji. We have another one that says, this is Tanya's. And the message on this says, slow down, life is a journey, not a race. And they all have such fantastic messages. Promise yourself to be so strong that nothing can disturb your peace of mind. This is what I need on my cup. My cup. You know,
here's your
but
cup.
she did make me a cup, and I'm very excited about it. And you actually made me start singing a song when I saw this.
Okay.
Give thanks with a grateful heart. Start each day with a grateful heart. I try to do that every day, and also with a smile. And there's my name on the front. So, lady, you just open this, you put it. Anyway, I don't want to know your secret because I don't want anybody to copy you. But right now, this is the range of your products, right? Do you make other things outside of this?
Yes.
What else do you do?
I do cushions. They're not custom made. They're the furry ones.
Oh, those are lovely. They look like little pets.
Yes, they're very comfy and nice. Phone cases, I had started before, but I'm going to relaunch it. I'll be doing pop socket as well. So for now, that's that. But I'm sure I'm going to come up with something else.
You just sound like you have so much passion.
Yes, I do.
For what it is that you do, and that is when you positive mind, positive vibes, positive. Oh, Dahlia! It's so femininous. And the blue. And the blue. I have it. Positive mind, positive vibes, positive life. This one belongs to Harris.
And the little jewels.
I love this.
Yes. So
Your
if you're super girly, we can do something fun.
Truly.
And we have the male ones here. So this one is a football.
We don't have no present and we won't get to know them. But we can show them anyway. So the guys, if you're a Man U fan, Lord of mercy.
Any team, any
so
sports
many
team.
Men.
Any
Who's
sports
Man U?
team.
Man U. Chelsea?
I can do Chelsea as well, Arsenal, anything that you want.
Oh, sorry, Harold. We only have one Man U fan here.
And the kiddies one also.
Yes, so if you have a kid who loves a particular theme.
Or cartoon character, so that's one, Hello Kitty. This one is a Ben 10 for a meal.
For the guys.
Yes.
All right.
So any cartoon character you want, we can get it as well.
And I love the pink and the purple. This looks so much like Aaron. I'm going to have to order a cup from you for Aaron because she's a pink and purple girl. And you have a see-through one.
Yes.
So
it's like for the persons that work in call centers, they can't really bring these ones.
But true by why? Why?
It's just a rule. I don't know why.
True?
Yes.
It's too exciting?
I'm not sure. No, the security need to see what is in the.
Oh, yes. I didn't know that.
So they can still. Well, you won't be able to really see what's on it.
There's a little bit of sparkle and glitter.
Yes,
on
I
this,
still try to put a little sparkle on it.
Nice.
So you can still get your name on it.
And okay, I declare today that your business is going to just.
Thank you.
Watch after today. God help you. I hope you have enough stock. Anna Gay Livingston is the entrepreneur and owner of Flame Doll Designs. And if people are watching this morning, as I'm sure they are, I love your logo.
Thank you.
And they want to patronize you, get some stuff for themselves. Where do we find you?
Okay, currently I'm an online store. So you can find me on Facebook and Instagram. It's flamedolls_INC. My WhatsApp number 378-3135.
Okay, so online, give us again. There it is. Oh, that's the number there. But Flame Dolls, what's the
Flame_INC1 on Instagram and Flame Dolls in on Facebook.
How much time do we need to give you to order? Depends on the quantity.
Yeah, depends on now. But for now, I'm sticking to 7 days, so I try my best to give. But depending on the quality, it might run over.
On the quantity?
Yes, the quantity.
You have only power to do.
Yeah, I
but
know.
it's all good. You know, good work
that's
a good problem to have. Thank you very much, lady.
Thank you for having me.
It really goes to show that when your heart is telling you something, you just have to follow your passion because sometimes your passion won't feed you. Maybe not initially, but eventually things will pick up. So congratulations on your bravery, on your business. Anna Gay Livingston of Flame Dolls Designs. I'm going to get my cup. I'm going to take Dahlia's cup and we'll be right back in just a minute.
Bye.